Greetings students, this is Miss Mills. Today we are in this video, I'm going to read the words for sort 29 in the syllables and affixes group. So when you click on the word study assessment link in Google Classroom, it will open a blank sheet like this, and a sheet just means there are columns and rows, and it's going to be helpful for us to create or put our words in these columns based on the heading. You'll notice yours doesn't have any headings written in yet because everyone is using this same sheet, and so you're going to have to type in the headings. So I'm going to encourage you to pause the video in just a moment and do that so that your sheet looks just like mine. I'm going to add one thing to help it be a little clearer. I'm going to select those and click the B for bold, just so it can stand apart from the words that I write. So go ahead and pause the video and get this part set up. All right, hopefully you're ready to get started. So we have the VCLE heading, and the sample word for that is title. Then we have the VCCLE doublet. The sample word is little. And last but not least, VCCLE, and the sample word is simple. So you should have both the heading name and the sample word typed in there. When I read the words, you're going to want to decide which heading to type it under. Click that box and type in the word with the best spelling that you can. All right, let's get started. First word is scramble. I like to scramble my eggs for breakfast. Scramble. Next, battle. The fight with my sister felt like a battle. Battle. Next, cable. The fan didn't work because the cable had been broken. Cable. Next, rattle. The baby loved the sound of the rattle. Rattle. The next word is scribble. I love to scribble on the paper. Scribble. Next, able. I am able to draw. Able. The next word is rifle. When my dad went hunting, he grabbed his rifle. Rifle. Next, handle. I opened the refrigerator with the handle. Handle. The next word is tremble. I saw the trees tremble in the wind. Tremble. Settle. It took time for the sand to settle at the bottom of the bottle. Settle. Cradle. The baby fell asleep in the cradle. Cradle. Bugle. I play the bugle in the band. Bugle. Jungle. I would love to explore the jungle. Jungle. Single. There was a single ripe fig on the bush. Single. Table. The table wiggled if you bumped it. Table. Paddle. Remember to take your paddle if you go on the canoe. Paddle. Bridle. The horse was fitted with a bridle and we were ready to ride. Bridle. Middle. I am the middle sister. Middle. Next, muscle. I had a sore muscle from my workout yesterday. Muscle. The next word is sample. There's nothing better than a free sample. Sample. And last but not least, bottle. I bought a bottle of pop. Bottle. All right, you should have a total of 21 words written down. If you're missing some, remember you can go back to earlier in this video, pause to give yourself plenty of time to write. When you are finished and satisfied with your spelling, make sure to turn the assignment so your teacher can check it and let you know how you did. Have a great day.